Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vantage Circle. This powerful platform is designed to enhance employee engagement through various features. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools for rewards, recognition, and wellness, all aimed at creating a more positive and productive work environment. You will learn how to navigate its core functionalities and maximize its benefits for your professional journey. Once you have successfully logged in, you will land on your personalized dashboard. Here, you can quickly view your accumulated points and see any new notifications. The dashboard serves as your central hub, providing easy access to all the platform's key sections. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and discover where everything is located for a smooth experience. Earning points on Vantage Circle is straightforward. You can receive recognition points from your managers and colleagues for your contributions. Additionally, engaging in wellness activities, such as fitness challenges, can also earn you valuable points. When you are ready, you can redeem these points for exciting rewards, including gift cards from hundreds of brands or unique lifestyle experiences, offering plenty of choices. Beyond rewards, Vantage Circle offers robust wellness and engagement features. You can access various programs designed to support your physical and mental well-being, from guided meditations to fitness routines. The platform also fosters a sense of community, allowing you to connect with peers through a social feed. Remember to provide feedback to help continuously improve your overall experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.